The Stingray Midspan Kit, brought to you by Hexatronic US. The kit will include two 5mm connectors and a 3-foot section of 5mm duct. Two divisible seals will also be needed for installation. The necessary installation tools will include a ring and slit tool for both the microduct and Stingray fiber. We recommend the Jonard MS-316 and the MS-116. Start by opening the dome and identifying the duct assigned to the feeder fiber. Remove the microduct and connectors from the kit. It's always a good practice to reshape microduct ends to 3.5mm before installing connectors. Connect both the incoming and outgoing ducts to make a complete pathway. Make sure to position the duct in a wide sweep for fiber installation. With the fiber successfully installed, utilize the MS-316 to score both ends of the duct. Next, guide the duct through the slitting end to extract the microduct. Using the MS-116, carefully slit the fiber jacket from the top of each fiber retainer and remove it. Then, install the divisible seals to ensure the fiber is secure. Gently remove all acrylate from the outer bundle and separate the fibers. Then, proceed to separate the fibers within the inner bundle. Secure each end behind a fiber retainer and route it directly into the bottom tray of the closure. This is the designated tray for feeder fibers to be spliced to the splitters. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you and stay safe.